Hey everyone, here I'll show you how to add your Google ads.txt file to your hosting or website. This step is important to verify your AdSense and avoid revenue loss. Whether you're looking to monetize your site or just curious about new functionalities, integrating Google AdSense can be a game changer. Let's jump right into the step-by-step guide. First, open your browser and go to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're in the Hostinger panel, you'll find an interface filled with various helpful options. Method 1. File Manager. First, go to your AdSense dashboard. If there's an ads.txt issue, it'll give you a line like google.com pub so-and-so. Now open Hostinger. Select the site you want to upload ads.txt and proceed for File Manage. Go to Files, File Manager, and open the public HTML folder. Click plus File. Name it exactly ads.txt. Then paste the AdSense here and click Save. Method 2. Website Builder. If you're using Hostinger Website Builder, go to your dashboard and click Edit Website. Then on the left, click More and select Integration. Scroll down to find the AdSense section. Here, you'll see the ads.txt area. Paste your AdSense txt and save. Google will verify your file. You have now successfully integrated AdSense in your website. Check video in description for how to put AdSense on your web. This wraps up our tutorial on how to add Google AdSense to your hosting or website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide both informative and straightforward. Be sure to check back for more tutorials to enhance your website's capabilities.